We continue again. Now, one of the questions again is the monomer of PESPACE. The monomer of PESPACE. Unfortunately, it could not give us the options, but the answer for the monomer of PESPACE is methyl 2-methyl propenoate, which was actually given as also known as methyl metal acrylate. Let me see how I spelled it here. Yes, acrylate. So it either comes this way or this way: methyl 2-methyl propenoate or methyl metal acrylate. So, however, I hope you have this on your notes. I'm going to give you some points here that you should note. Now, I hope you understand the concept of polymer. Polymer is a large molecule formed by small molecules called monomers. Now, we have two types of polymers. We have the addition polymer and we have the condensation polymer. So, easily know the addition polymer, they are usually unsaturated. They usually have double bond. I'm going to give you a table. You thank me, those of you writing tomorrow. Addition polymer, their common name, their monomer. Take notes. Number one is polychloroethene. Polychloroethene. The common name is polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Used to make cover table, used to make raincoats, ceiling, and the rest. However, the monomer is chloroethene. Chloroethene is also called vinyl chloride. Now, the next we should know is polyphenylethene. This is, the common name is polystyrene. Now, the monomer is phenylethene, which we also call styrene. Please, one thing you should note that if you blow air or foaming agent through polystyrene, we are going to get styrofoam. Styrofoam is very common. You see it in any new appliance. Those white foaming substance used to protect your television, your new television, your any appliance is foaming. Now, once this guy called styrene or polystyrene rather, air is blown into it or a foaming agent is blown into it, we are going to have what we call styrofoam. It's also used to make disposable cups and cups and plates. Now the next we are going to look at is polytetrafluoroethene. The common name for polytetrafluoroethene is Teflon. Take note of that. Now the monomer is tetrafluoroethene. And the next you should take note of is poly-1,2-dichloroethene. The common name is Sedan. So the monomer is 1,2-dichloroethene. Then the next we are going to look at now is polypropionitrile. Polypropionitrile will have different names for this. We call it polyacrylonitrile. We also call it acryl fiber. We can also call it olon. So what's it called? The monomer is propionitrile. Then the one they brought out yesterday, polymethyl 2 methyl what? Propenoids. Now, this is also called pair space. Pair space. Pair space is also called lucite. Take note of that. It's also called pair Z glass. Now, we can also call it polymethyl metal acrylate. Take note of this. Now, pair is glossy like in plexiglass. It's also called plexiglass. It's glossy like and look like glass. Can be used to what? To substitute for glass. It's used in contact lens and anything that you can use glass for. Now, so the monomer is methyl 2 methyl propenoids. So if you have this now, please pause this video so you can write it down. So that these are the common addition polymers you know. Another addition polymer that is very common is polyethylene. What's the monomer of polyethylene? Remove the poly, ethene. So how do you know addition polymers? In most cases, they are usually unsaturated in propenoids. So it's easy for us to know them. So now, then we look at the next one. So quickly, I'm trying to look for it. All right, seen it. So you also take note of these ones. Condensation polymer. Now, for condensation polymer, in most cases are usually copolymer. Copolymer means we have two different types of monomers joining together to form the polymer. In this case, the monomers join, they add, and in the process eliminate small molecules such as water. Monomers undergo addition and subsequent elimination of small molecules such as water. An example is nylon C6. Nylon C6, the monomers are hexadiamine and adipic acid. Adipic acid is hexane. Now, the next is terraline. Terraline, take note of this. Terraline is what? Terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. You can easily know the monomer here. This word lean, or yeah, is gotten from here. Then te is gotten from here. Can you see it now? Then we have also bakelite. Bakelite, which is from hydroxyl benzene and what? Methanol. Take note of this. However, other condensation polymer include, take note of this, urea methanol, melanine methanol. So take note of all this. Okay.